Hello everyone! My name is Deborah Cumberledge and I am the Youth Outreach Specialist for the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me for Storytime today. I'm so excited you're here. Today we're going to be reading a story about a little girl who finds a caterpillar that she decides to keep as a pet. And then she learns what caterpillars become. Our book today is called Arabella Miller's Tiny Caterpillar, and it was written and illustrated by Clare Jarrett, and it was published in 2008 by Candlewick Press. Let's get started. Arabella Miller's Tiny Caterpillar. Little Arabella Miller met a tiny caterpillar. One day, when she was climbing trees, she found him crawling on her sleeve. She said, "Hello, caterpillar. My name's Arabella Miller." Little Arabella Miller carried Stripey Caterpillar through the garden with great care and settled in her favorite chair. She said, "Tiny caterpillar's safe with Arabella Miller." Little Arabella Miller loved her wiggly caterpillar. First he climbed upon her mother, and then upon her baby brother. Mom said, "Arabella Miller, put away your caterpillar." Little Arabella Miller made a home for Caterpillar. She stuffed a shoebox full of flowers, then leaves and grass. She worked for hours. She said, "Tiny Caterpillar, stay with Arabella Miller." Little Arabella Miller gathered food for Caterpillar. Curly cabbage, crisp and crunchy. Frizzy parsley, fresh and munchy. He mixed his meals up. First came brunch, then dinner, breakfast, snack, and lunch. He chomped and he chewed and slurped, then crack! His skin split all along his back. And underneath it, big and baggy, was a new one, soft and saggy. He ate and grew, for that's what caterpillars do. On sunny days and in the rain, he shed his skin time and time again. One hazy, lazy afternoon, she watched him work and hummed a tune. He made a shell with him inside, the perfect, cozy place to hide. Weeks went by, and Arabella missed her friendly caterpillar. She pictured him curled up in bed inside his house upon his thread. Every day she saw it gleaming and wondered what he could be dreaming. Then one day her caterpillar puzzled Arabella Miller. She saw him moving, poking through, and out he came completely new. "Oh," said Arabella Miller, "you're so different, caterpillar." She held her breath and watched in awe as he was changing more and more. Bright wings unfolded, stretched to dry, and then up he floated to the sky. "Goodbye, goodbye, away you fly, my very special butterfly." The end. Now, isn't that a beautiful butterfly? I really like butterflies. They're so pretty. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now we're going to do a finger play. It's called Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar. And the first time through, I'll do the motions and you just watch. And then I'll do it through again and you can join me. Okay? All right, let's get started. This is from King County Library System. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar into a corner will creep. He'll spin himself a blanket and then fall fast asleep. Shh. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar very soon will rise and find he's grown beautiful wings. Now he's a butterfly. All right, let's try it again. This time, please join me. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar into a corner will creep. He'll spin himself a blanket, then fall fast asleep. Shh. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar very soon will rise and find he's grown beautiful wings. Now he's a butterfly. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. There's going to be a link down below for a simple craft. You can make a caterpillar out of a paper plate, so I hope you have fun with that. Please, everyone, stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you again next time. Bye.